thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay. I'll do anything for your love.
Don't say anything. I can see it all. Eh? Every day I kneel and thank God for making me know someone like you. Hmm?
Sweetheart.
Baby.
I love you.
Me too. Me too.
Soup used to be for me in the family house. A special one.
Hey, you there? It's like a soup.
Yes, but it's not about the soup now. Every soup, every food you cook, I love it. You're just the best cook in the whole world.
You flatter me.
I'm not flat. How can I flatter you now? It's not possible. See, just take this money and when you walk down the street, you see a mini market. There's my phone. Everything you need for the soup, you find it there.
No problem. When you go and come back, this will be waiting for you.
That's right. Okay, I'll see you when I come back. Efiam.
Bye.
Yeah. Efiam.
Yes, okay. Well, good morning.
Morning. Open the gate for me.
Oh.
I don't agree with you. Simply, I don't agree. Seriously, that's not true. It's a lie. Guy, listen to me. You are missing out. I don't agree with you. You're the one missing out here. Okay. Look at you. See, want me to prove it for you? How can you say things like that? See, okay, look at you. With your mother's connections, you got a good job. And you're well paid. With all this money, you need to flit around town, go around, make new friends, meet girls. I'm telling you. But all you did was to cage yourself up in marriage. You are missing a lot. You don't finish. Now let me tell you something. The best time to get married is now. So you better start thinking of getting married. Marriage is sweeter in young age. All these things you people are calling enjoyment, they are not. Rather, you claim yourself. You spend the prime of your youthful age with a stranger when you want to use your strength. They are gone. So I tell you, Flip, now is the best time for you to get married. You better start off thinking. No, you're missing out. See, let's look at me. It's very fresh. Flip, my guy.
See, Ken, honestly, I am not happy. Do you know you just deprived me of my lunch?
Don't bother yourself. You'll soon see what I am telling you. So chill.
Come to think of this. Are you telling me that your wife's food tastes better than that woman? I mean, the woman at the usual joint. Is that what you're telling me?
All they do is to put spices, all manner of spices in their food. I am going to show you the real food, natural food, without no spice. Meanwhile, it still tastes good. So chill. My wife is the best cook in the whole world. Don't bother yourself. You're going to test the natural food.
Well, it's okay. Am I not off?
Yes.
Allow me to eat the food and confirm.
So chill. Just keep quiet. Let's be going. You test natural food. You confirm. Don't be talk and say, Flay. I'm married and stop eating buka. Hey. What is it? Why do you yawn now? Yeah, big time.
I'm so famished. I am famished.
Yeah, chill now. Don't they reach out there? Don't swallow me in this car, I beg. Yeah, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine, okay?
What's going on? It's not like my wife. It's once she hears me driving, she runs out to come and meet me.
Maybe she's still cooking. Don't you think so?
You're right. Let's go in. Hey, baby. I'm home. Baby. What is it?
I couldn't cook the soup. Efion!
Okay, madam. Okay, madam, you call me.
You fit helping me go buy your supplement.
I go buy am, madam. Now which hotel I go buy am? I mean, which type of soup I go buy? Is it afang, editan, vegetable, iko, natike, melon? Which one I go buy, madam?
No be soap. Supplements. Let the meat. Let the oil. Egusi. Soup. Supplements.
Madam, you know, say I know go be buy that one where they jack now. You know, say now woman and then they buy that all those things where they mention. So, you know, I know go be buy that one. But madam, if you cross down main road where they there, now, if you pass and small, you go see one small market where they there, you can see where then they sell all those things where they mention now. Go be go. I say now women and them.
Like I go. May you take care of the house, yeah?
Oh.
You say, mellow.
So you couldn't get a food stop because you couldn't cross the road? Why are you laughing like Momo?
I beg, get it. See, I'm very hungry. I need to eat something, please.
My dear, so you've not eaten anything since I left?
I am not hungry.
Hi. Okay, do you know what? Do you know what? Just put noodles on the fire for me, okay? We'll manage it, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to take you to the market by myself to get the all food stuffs you need, okay?
I beg, Ken, please. I can't wait for the noodles. I need to go out there and get something to eat.
Just for me, okay? Please, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying.
This is too bad.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
That's good. Hey, look at you. You're a man of class. You work in your income. You're a big boy. Honestly, that girl is not the kind of girl you can present to our friends. How do you take her out for events? That girl is too local to be your wife.
Please. Let this be the first and the last time you speak about my wife in such a manner. She's not your wife. She's mine. So leave the whole problems for me.
Okay. I'm only advising you just ask.
Unfortunately, I don't need your advice. To run my marriage. Don't need it.
I surrender. Can I eat now?
Baby, I'm sorry for embarrassing you before your friend.
It's okay. It's a personal. Okay.
What do you say about me?
See, I knew you were a village girl, but I found myself loving you. What it matters to me now in this life, but you being by my side. If I could fight and win my family's attack, because I declared my intention of making you my wife, there is no battle I could not win.
I don't know why God sent a man like you to me. You're full of understanding, compassion and care.
Baby, it's okay. Whatever my friends say doesn't matter to me. Anybody can say anything. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
cross this kind of road. Eh? Just focus on the both sides. Watch your left, watch your right. Then come to the lane. Whenever you find a little space. Are you listening to me?
I'm listening.
Walk into the middle. From there, you watch your right. And a little space will not be hard for you to cross. Once you get that little space, you enter.
Hey, but if we enter the center of the road, all the cars coming from there and there, they will hit us now.
No. They won't. They will apply their brake. Till you cross over.
Yeah.
So now, watch your left. Watch your right again. But always focus on this side. Now let's cross.
Hey.
Fast.
Hey.
Good.
We have crossed.
Now, you can continue with your market there. Let me go back to work.
Hey. Thank you,
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
It's lunchtime.
Is it 1 o'clock already?
Kenya is 1:30 a.m. right now.
Wow.
Famished.
I need to check my time.
So, let's go.
I'm not going for lunch today. You can go.
Well, if you're reserving your stomach for your wife's delicacy, me, I'm going to have my lunch. Because I'm not ready for any kind of drama again. I'm sure this time, it's either she's setting up the firewood in your kitchen or something fun is even happening now.
But at least I'm better than you. I am happily married. And what about you?
I rather remain single than getting married to that your oversized and over-organized mbeke that you call a wife. See you later, bro. I'm going to have my lunch. Hey.
Baby. This is another magic of yours.
Thank you.
I wish this food was ready. Like yesterday, if they came home to me.
I was even thinking that he will follow you and come back today.
Don't mind him. He can't stop making jest of yesterday's event. He can't just stop.
Okay, why about now?
No, don't mind him. All he does is to jump from one girl to another.
Did he make a mockery of me before your other friends?
Even if he did, if he wants, he can go and put it in CNN. Okay. Okay, whatever he said about you. What matters to me is the love I have for you. I always love you.
Thank you.
Broken.
I love you too. Baby, everything has finished in the house. The soaps, the detergents, everything. Yeah? Maybe on your way from the office, you stop at the supermarket to buy them.
No, I won't be coming early today. I'll be home late today. We're having a meeting with the group managing director. So you go on there. Right. I think this money will be enough. You take care, huh? Bye.
Let's go.
That's okay.
Young lady, we have been monitoring you from the security camera. It's been over an hour you entered here. Since then, you've not picked even a single thing. So who are you? And what is your mission to this place?
Hey! No, ma.
What is that you are hiding behind me? I said, nothing. What is that?
Nothing.
Nothing. You are hiding nothing. I said, what is that you are hiding behind you?
Nothing.
You must be joking. What is this? So you want to steal it?
Hey! I am not a thief. I'm not a thief.
Shut up! You are not a thief, but you are learning how to steal.
Not the truth. This is the money my husband gave me to buy you something. I'm not a thief. I'm not.
Now move.
I'm not a thief.
I said move! Move!
Yes. My wife? A thief? My friend, stop that. Stop that rubbish. You must be out of your mind. I'll be there now. Why didn't you go straight and pay what you want? And go to the counter and pay? Then go round and round the supermarket. Can't you see yourself on the TV? What's wrong with you?
Baby, I'm sorry. I didn't know where to pick the things I wanted. The place was very big.
You would have asked someone. What were you doing with toy? Children's toy. Ordinary toy. What's wrong with you? Please, take those things in, please. I'm going back to the office. I have a meeting to attend. Just go in and take those things.
My love, I am very, very sorry for what happened today. I didn't mean to steal the motor toy. I only saw it and I liked it. Please forgive me. Please.
It's okay. It's not your fault. You're not to be blamed. Love is to be blamed. It was love that took you from the village, brought you to this strange city life, which you're not used to. But don't worry. More soon.
Thank you, my lovely. Thank you. I can't stop loving you.
It's okay.
this. I can manage, okay? Don't worry.
Hey, if you ask me, I will say let me call your office people. Eh? Let me tell them you're not feeling too well, so I can look after you very well.
Don't worry, don't bother yourself. Oh.
Hey, are you sure, baby?
Yeah, I can manage, okay? I'll be fine. Just tell Effion to open the gate for me, okay?
Effion! Effion! Open the gate. Okay, whatever. Okay, open.
Yeah, I'm on.
I'm fine with that. Are you sure you can manage it?
Yeah, I'll manage, okay? Alright.
The doctor said you need bed rest for 3 days. You need to call your family to get you some items like change of weights and food items.
Alright.
I'll be coming to check on you. Let's go.
Well, I have to rush back to the office. Okay.
Try your best.
And don't forget to call the wife so that she can bring the restaurant. I will take care of myself. So, okay.
Because of love, village girl they marry city boy. Because of love, village girl they marry city boy. I'm gonna get your love, love wanting to. I'm gonna get your love, love in my photo. Child, honey.
Hello?
Hello, my love.
Hey, my love.
How are you?
I'm okay, I'm okay.
Yes, I'm speaking to you right now. I'm in the hospital.
Hey, what happened? What happened? I told you not to go, not to go. You said you will go, you will go, you will go.
It's okay, it's okay. Just calm down. I've been taking me to the office. And a friend of mine rushed me to the hospital.
Hey, which hospital? Which hospital?
Honey, calm down first, calm down. Just come to the hospital, eh? When you finish whatever you're doing, okay?
Hey, I will call him now. I will come on now. I will come on now. Hey.
While coming, I want you to get some shirts or t-shirts or shorts for me, just to change. And buy some provisions from the supermarket for me, okay?
Hey, I don't have any money on me. Oh. I don't have any money. Oh.
I know. You use my ATM. Just go inside the room. My ATM is by the left drawer.
ATM?
Yeah. Okay. The ATM number is 1234.
Yeah. Hey.
I want you to withdraw about 60,000 naira. We're going to pay my friend back for the money he used for the deposit in the hospital. Okay, and you're going to use the rest for our upkeep. Listen attentively. My PIN number is 1234. Huh? I said my PIN number is 1234. Baby, are you there?
Hey, I listen.
Just withdraw the money. Call me. I will direct you to where you will call, okay?
I come in. Hey. The one on Norma na. Hey. ATM. Hey. Can I talk also? Can I come again?
Yes, where?
Michimak Bank.
Which one?
Michimak Bank.
I heard you now. I said which branch?
I don't know. He didn't tell me.
Are you going to look for someone or what?
I want to use the ATM.
Use the ATM?
Yes.
Enter, let me take you to the nearest branch. Yeah.
How much?
Just 500.
Okay, why?
Is it not drop you want?
Which one is the drop?
I will carry only you. I won't pick any other person along the road. Nah.
But the money is too much.
But the price is that.
She's a witch now. Tumbo, tumbo, tumbo. Obu, abu, abu. Let me use this one and see. Hi. Hi. It is not working. No. Madam, what are you doing here now? Eh? Hurry up, hurry up. Why should you behave like a fool? I don't know. Please, I'm coming. Oh. Hi. Come on. Come on. Hey. It is not entering. No. You're getting away from. You want to put it again, you sit again, sit again. You can't do the same thing. Look at you. I don't know.
Why is something like that? Why crying? What happened?
I gave the last 500 naira I have on me. I don't have any money on me again.
So you mean ATM did not pay you?
No, you need to pay me. You need to pay me.
Then why didn't you call me since then?
I don't have a credit on my phone.
Who told you you don't have credit on your phone? Did you check your airtime?
I forgot that thing you taught me on not to take my balance on my phone. I forgot it.
Okay, it's okay. Just stop crying. Yeah? Stop crying. Where are you right now?
Where am I? I don't know where I am. I don't know. I can see one big house with the big roof like a roof on it. I can see men load everywhere. In my front. Men load. Yeah, men load. I can see people selling things around me.
See, look around. Find someone. Ask somebody where you are right now. Let me come and pick you.
Hey! Who will I ask? I don't know know who to ask. I don't know who to ask. I don't know. I don't know.
What's your problem, eh? Sense. Nurse! Nurse! Nurse!
Yes?
Come on, remove this now. I want to go and pick my watch. She's missing.
The doctor said you need some rest, please.
I said my wife is missing. You're telling me doctor said?
It's your head, Ken. You might collapse again, please.
No, nothing will happen to me. Remove this thing.
Me, I cannot. The doctor said you should rest.
If you don't want to remove this thing, I'll tear it off myself.
It's okay. Give me her number. I will call my cab driver to pick her wherever she is. Please.
See me, see wahala.
No, so thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
So you mean ATM did not pay me?
I was so confused. I didn't know which one is which again. Jesus. I kept on trying. Even the pin number you gave to me, I tried it, but it didn't work. I had to leave it when people started complaining that I was wasting my time.
No. You will stop embarrassing me before people. So up till now, you don't know how to use ATM. You can't even differentiate ATM from national ID card.
I am sorry.
Too bad.
Baby.
What is it? What?
Baby, I know you're not happy with me. I know I caused you a lot of trouble at the hospital today. But one thing I want you to understand is that I am not to play acting all those things. I am not. The first time I come to the city was when you saw me and you said you were liking me. And I said no, because I know what is involved. And you said no. You insisted. Because I know what is involved. I know. But you won my heart. Please. Just give me small time. I will learn everything. I will learn. At least now, I have learned some household manners. I will learn all these ones. I will learn them. Because, please, small time.
It's okay. I'll always love you.
Baby.
I'll be going to the maternal home. I just need to go and stay there for some time.
Kiro, do you want to leave me and go?
Hey, are you complaining? When you went to Port Harcourt City, did I complain?
Is that how it is? No problem. If you go, I'll go back to Port Harcourt. I'm telling you, if I go, I'm not coming back home.
Don't let me know that tomorrow morning, after checking my trap, I'll be going. Huh?
Catch what, Mama? Hey. Not even a rat. Come on, rat, my trap could not catch. Unless it would have been better.
Don't worry, my daughter. Oh? Okay, Mama. Go in and drop your machete.
Mama, I want to go and visit my friend in Port Harcourt.
Ozokwa, was it up to 3 months you came back from Port Harcourt? You want to go again?
Oh, no. It's more than 6 months.
Okay, come on, 6 months. Eh?
Okay. It's 3 months and some weeks. But my friend Nkiru will soon travel to go and see the mother at Matana home.
So because you will be lonely, eh? You don't want to go and stay with a married woman, so that you will be sharing her husband with her, or you will try to snatch her husband away from her. Okay?
Hey.
Eh?
Hey, Mama. Mama Kiki Sekuzo, so how can you say a thing like this now? Okay, I'm not going there to stay with them permanently. Even if it's 1 week, let me just go and come back, Mama.
Go and drop your machete first.
Is that a yes?
Go first. We'll still talk about it later. You just came back from Port Harcourt. You want to go again?
You like saying the same thing. Tomorrow you say it again. Still next day you say it again. Eh?
Maybe you say with a quarrel. But you know say your matter. Pass now.
Nah, die.
No problem.
Hello? Nama! Nama, how are you? Your husband didn't come?
Hey, we are fine, no. It's just that we're managing, eh? Life here is not easy, eh? My husband has gone to the office, eh? Hey.
Managing. Hey, if you call life in Port Harcourt management, what will you call life in the village?
Hey, Chioma, you want to understand, eh? If I tell you everything your sister has been going through here, you will have a mercy on your sister.
Eh?
Hey, look at me now, look at Norma. Me, and I'm going to the bank. Eh? Norma, I'm crossing the main road. And Norma, I'm using the ATM machine. Eh?
Yes, sir. It's in again the machine.
Chioma, it is not ATM machine. It is ATM machine. See, I'm even better than you. I'm better than you.
No, now we are not dragging who is better. But what is ATM machine now?
Chioma, it is one big machine. Now when you put the card inside, it will give you money. Hey.
Hey, no ma. I'd like to come to Port Harcourt too. And if I come, I'll stay just 1 week. If I come, you show me the ATM machine.
Hey, are fine.
Your mother is fine. All of them, they are fine.
Choma, it is okay, eh? I have heard everything you said, eh? I will talk to my husband when he comes back from work. You will call me tomorrow, eh? Call me tomorrow.
Okay. I'll call you, eh?
It's your voice that I've heard, eh? It's fitting me. Hey, it's giving me somehow.
Me too. I feel like they're flying to Port Harcourt this night. Okay, my money is going. Cut.
Bye. Look at the Choma. ATM machine. ATM machine. Hey, Choma will not kill me.
Your money now 150 naira.
For why? No, do not give for why?
For the call where you make now. A minute now 30 naira. You can't make 5. If you times 3 into 5 now how much? Not be 150 naira.
Just this telling something that I said now. Eh?
Let me see one. Which one be telling me something? Since when you dey here, they talk, they laugh, they joke, they cry for food. Yes, so ATM machine. You know nothing na my credit today, but I do not even know nothing I owe money they can't. If you no give me my money now,
Give me change. Give me change.
Oh yeah, Jesus. Give me my money complete. You get grace. Give me my money now.
Okay, wait. Wait now.
Oh yeah, my money.
Hey,
give me my money. You even carry the money, go hide inside your pants, eh? They find you go do Jorabi. Take. Oh no, she never. See, no. Where? Thief. You even carry the money, go come to me, Oshiro.
Please. It's okay, that was good. You're very funny. Okay. You.
Baby, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay, what is it? I'm listening.
My friend, the Chioma, called me this afternoon.
Okay. I hope all is well at home.
Yes. She said everybody is fine.
Oh, thank God.
She also said she wants to come to the city to come and spend some time with us. Why are you keeping your face like that? You didn't want her to come?
You see, baby, we don't need her. I don't think we need her in this house. What you need is people that will help to brush you out of this your village mentality. This is PH. You need to mingle with the right people that will help you to click into modern facilities. Not people from village that will come here and bring out more village girl in you. What is it? We don't need her. We don't.
I agree, I agree. I'm a village girl. I agree. No problem. But I was on my own, no. You carry this your city body and you're pushing me, telling me love. No problem, oh. Stay in your city house. Chop it. Chop it. me alone. Leave me alone. I know I'm a village girl. And you are a city boy. I will go back in my things and go back to my village. So you'll be happier. Your mother will be happy as well too. It's a wish for me to leave you alone.
Please, don't bring my mother into this. Okay?
It is what she wants. It is what she wants. She wants to leave me alone because I'm a village girl.
You and I knew that my mother finally gave her consent to this union.
So why are you calling me a village girl?
I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry from my heart. Okay? You can go ahead and tell John, your friend, to go. She can stay here as long as she wants. Okay?
Thank you. But my husband, you're not able to come to pick it from the park. You know me too. I don't know how to cross the road. What you will do is when you get to the park, take a Dikeh. Yes. Tell the Dikeh man to bring you to number 8 William Mills Close. Yes, number 8. Not number 18, no. Hey. I know why I'm saying number 8 though. Because if anything happens, I won't know what to do. I cannot do anything till my husband comes back home. Bye-bye, I will see you, Chioma!
Go down here now, number 8.
No. This is not where I'm going to. I have gone there before. It is not here.
Oh, maybe you say they go number 8. Now here now, go down.
Okay, see my friend house, normal house, It's very tall, Ulelu. And this one is short. This is not where I'm going to.
Wait first. You mean upstairs or a story building?
Upstairs. Upstairs. Biko take me there, oh?
But this one where you can't change the name because we get Oyamadu Street. We get Oyamili Close. Which one?
Hey, I beg no verses Oyamili, Bugami about Oyamili. Biko.
They sound like twins. Now you be their mother. You don't even do same. This keke don't even come up for neutral. To start this keke and another issue.
How are you? I'm fine. Hey, you're welcome. Take you go bring it up. I hope you bring something for me. Last, just let go. Is it enough? Look at you, City girl. Nice. I'll get someone's house with address, Hey! My sister, I almost lost myself. Telling you. Keke driver took me to one ugly short house. When I looked, I said, no, this cannot be Mama's house. You have to trust me. Hey, thank God you didn't go missing, What would I have done, My sister didn't work as well. Are you sure you're not pregnant? Hey, Nikwa. Obago? I don't know. Okay, why your mother gave me a abacha to give to you. Hey, abacha! Good woman! Come, let me go and prepare the abacha abacha for you. No.
Sharp.
Hey, come, let's go inside.
I am hungry.
You enjoy yourself. I am hungry. You are very, very hungry. Hey, my husband is back. You're welcome. Welcome. I'm fine. My hand is clean now. Welcome.
Let's go to John's. It's okay.
You're not talking to me?
No, let's go. Let's go now.
I don't know. Maybe because he saw us eating abacha. Yeah. You don't like abacha? Maybe because we bring this to the parlor. The pot. We carry the pot to the kitchen. Hey.
I'm enjoying every bit of it. I'm enjoying
It's like anytime I take you home with me, this whole thing happens. I stop taking going home with you.
Come on, man. How can you say a thing like that? See, odd things happen in your house every day, but this odd thing even lives with you.
What's that supposed to be?
Come on, man. Listen. Let's not go into what almost cost our friendship. I'm advising you now as a friend. This girl, keep her indoors. Don't let her come outside, because each time she comes out, she causes you embarrassment. But she's almost a nuisance to the community and even to you yourself.
Is it your business? How is it your business?
No, let me call you the people. Waiter! Please, get him something to drink.
Welcome again. Instead I bring problem to you or to your husband. Let me go back to the village. Don't worry. I'm gonna do one more.
Baby, I am sorry.
You see, I need to come to this. At the end of the day, you end up saying, I am sorry. I tried to explain to you why she wouldn't come, but you misunderstand me. All you have to say is that I am calling you a village girl. You see it?
I am sorry. I am sorry.
See, it's not being sorry is the issue here. It's all about doing the right thing at the right time. If she had not come, probably you might be watching television or doing some other thing the time I walked in with my friend. At least you would have saved me this round of another embarrassment.
I know. But the mistake has been done already.
It's not the made mistake we're talking about. We're talking about the one that is yet to be made if she continues to stay.
No problem. Tomorrow morning, she will go.
See, my love, please, she has to go. Okay? She has to go. You don't need that kind of company. Okay? Please, I don't mind giving her money to go.
She will go.
That's my girl. Thank you.
All of this money.
Yeah, and she needs to be happy. You know, the way she was sent home wasn't good at all. So we need to compensate her with this amount. I'll see you. Take care. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Open the gate for me.
Yes. It's like he's still angry with me. He asked me to give you this money. For why? Eh? Like, why no? Oh, he wants me to go. Eh? Mama, you and your husband want me to go back to the village, Okwaya? Hey, Choma, it's not like that. Eh? It's not. No problem. I will leave your house. Hey, problem. Choma, let me explain now. Eh? Choma. Keep you explain to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Choma. Get out of the way. Mama, get out of the way. Oh. Let me go back to my poor mother. Yes. Let me go back to the village. Choma, please now, understand. Eh? Understand. It is not your fault. It is not your fault. Because you are lucky to marry a man that is living in Port Harcourt City. Me, have I seen anybody to marry me? No, not even a village hunter. So let me go back to the village. Hey, Choma, has it gotten to that?
Yes! It has got to do everything. Why didn't you tell your husband to allow me to stay for some time? Eh? You did not! Okay. Please don't go again. Don't go. Stay. Eh? I will talk to my husband when he comes back. Eh? Are you sure? Stay. I don't want insult to... You want to insult you?
Are you alright? Then, why are you calm and cold? You what? Talk to me, what's the problem?
Good evening.
I see.
Baby. Have you seen what you have caused? Choma caused from Guinea. Are you not the one that said that she's... because you are crying now. Because I am crying. If you hear me, will you not cry? Somebody leave our village to come to Port Harcourt as holiday. After just 1 day, the person will go back. Will you not cry? Just to pray his anger come down. No man. You don't to listen. Hey.
What is she still doing in this house?
I am sorry, sir.
You don't answer my question.
Sorry, sir.
Answer my question.
She is staying in our house. That is what she's still doing in our house.
And what did I tell you when I was leaving in the morning?
She was crying. I had a compassionate on her. That is why she stayed back, but she will go tomorrow.
I don't want to see her when I come back tomorrow. Did you hear me?
Okay, sir. She will go. I promise you. It is not that I don't want to go. After every, I'll still go back to my mama house. Because this is not my mama house or my husband's house. I know. The problem is that I told them I will come back after 1 month in the village. If I go now, they'll laugh at me. Thank God that it's only laugh they will laugh at you. I don't want this to cause a problem between me and my husband. Because no, ma. So you have taken it in your heart. And you want me to go back to the village. Juma, pick on, please now. Odema, I'll leave your house. I will follow you outside.
So I will get a taxi for you that will take you to the park, Onitsha Park. From the park, you'll be able to go to the village now. Choma, pick on more. Choma, not to cry. It's not my fault. Because you know. As we go to the village, Choma, don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me now.
Where?
Onitsha Park.
Okay, enter 1,000.
Oh. Choma, enter the car now. Choma, enter the car now.
I'm missing Lawa.
Choma, I will call you. Oh, I will call you. Driver, small. Oh, Choma.
I don't want my mother to know that I'm back.
No, Asa, why are you crying? What happens to you?
Give it a long story. Let's go inside.
Since you have to just tell me what happens to you, why you're crying. Let's go. Try and understand. If I were to be in her shoes, I would do the same thing. I can't lose my husband because of my friend. Try and understand.
To be on her shoes, I would have begged till we agreed. But she did not. She didn't.
I don't understand you. But in a situation whereby her husband refused to understand her, what do you want her to do?
You will understand. I hurt. I cried. Mama Melumi about for
I understand. Just see this thing as destiny. I went to see my mother in a maternal home, but she was not there. She was taken to the hospital, and I'm still back to this village. Yeah. We went to the city and they didn't accept you. You're back here. Just see it as destiny. Let us just continue from where we stopped. Stop crying.
Asking me about Choma again.
I know she left.
She didn't want to go. I had to force her into the taxi.
Wow, that was very brave of you.
This one you're dressing up. Where are you going to?
Oh. A friend of mine is celebrating his birthday party tonight.
Eh. And you didn't tell me?
I said I was going to tell you.
When? If I didn't see you dressing up now, you want to tell me?
Do you expect me to leave this house without telling you where I'm going to?
Okay. No problem. You will not go alone. I will go with you.
How can you say such a thing?
You will not go alone. I will go with you.
You are not going anywhere with me.
matter like this. You should know that you're a married woman. You're no longer a kid. Stop crying.
Why don't you want me to follow you to your friend's party? Am I not your wife?
You're my wife.
But what? Say it. You're not ashamed of me. You're not too proud of your wife. Eh? But what? You want your friends to know you're marrying a village girl?
I am proud of you, my wife. But some things are better left unsaid.
Oh gosh. Say everything. Say it. You're ashamed of me. You're ashamed of me.
Okay. Do you want to go with me?
Yes.
You go and get dressed. It's okay. I'll be waiting for you outside. First.
Why are you laughing?
What is this? What are you wearing?
It is in the clothes you bought for me the last time.
Jeez. We are going for party, not a traditional marriage.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it. Go in and change something casual, just like me.
I don't know again. I don't know.
Please go in and change to something casual, please. I don't like this. Please.
After all this is my suffering, the more I try to impress you, the more I look stupid.
Kalusha, it's pigeon flag, baby. I see you. It be like something touching my lung, baby, something.
Hey, Joe! Man, what's up? It's been long. Where have you been? Oh my God, Joe!
You're looking good.
Hey, I thank God.
My leg is good.
You can say that again.
So what's up now? Your wife?
Yeah, my wife. This is my friend. Her name is Joe.
I'm Sandra.
No, she's in Norma. Oh,
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to you.
Oh, she's a shy type, you know?
Yeah.
Shy or naive?
Not naive.
just shy. Okay. Now, Joe, man, I'll see you. I'm pulling inside there. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. The Joe. Let's go. Joe.
Oh, look who we have here. Tailor. What's up, man?
You're looking good.
You two are looking good. You came with your wife? Yeah. That's beautiful.
Hi, my name is Unama.
Yeah, I already know your name. I've been to your house separately.
It is my pleasure meeting you.
Ah, you really taught your wife very well. Is that what you've been teaching her? That's good. Oh, you guys have a nice time, okay? It is my pleasure meeting you.
What is it again? What have I done again?
Disgracing yourself in front of my friends. I told you to stay back. You insisted coming with me to this house. Just go.
I'm sorry.
I'm sick and tired of you. Your person, your life, everything about you. I'm sick.
What have I done again?
Everything. You did everything wrong by following me to that party. I've had it up to here. I cannot take it any longer.
Baby.
Don't you ever call me that baby again. Do you hear me? If you do, I'll push you out. Can't you see how you're defiling the game? Oh God.
Ken, how on earth did you end up with such a naive girl?
Please, thank you. Ask him. Ask him. Look at him here. Ask him.
Do you know I was watching her devour the cake like an animal? God, she's so naive and irritating. Ken, that girl is not your wife. Gosh.
Thank God. Have you seen it? A woman is even helping me complain to you. I've been telling you this thing, you listen.
It's okay. I've had enough of this. Enough of this. You guys should leave my office now.
What do you mean by that?
Exactly what I said. Leave my office now, both of you.
Okay. I totally understand how you feel. But from what I saw yesterday night, you seriously need help. Believe me, you do.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Thank you.
Stop staring at me like that, like you don't know what I'm talking about.
It's for you to help me. Just like you started earlier to be in the office. I need your help. Please, what can be done to correct the mistake that has been made already?
There's only one thing, nothing else.
What would that be? Divorce? How can you say such a thing?
Okay. Life is too short for you to spend it with the wrong person. You are presently happening guy who works at an oil company from a well-known notable family. Me, you have friends and colleagues from the upper class. Living without my unity is the biggest mistake you'll ever make in your life.
The mistake has been made already. I thought you could come up with other things than divorce. Just let me talk. I was a clear line. Just married. And I love her so much.
Oh no, Ken. You can't love the wrong person. I mean, the earlier you let that girl go, the better for you and her. Sorry, Ken. Welcome. I can't continue like this. I can't continue. Eh? If you don't doesn't want me again, he should tell me. Let me go to my mama's house. I prepared your favorite soup. It's on the dining table.
Go and eat, I'm not hungry.
What?
You heard me.
Ken, I can see you no longer want me in this house. You no longer want me. Fine. Thank you very much. When you came to me preaching love, 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 I told you we are from two separate worlds. You said no, you love me like that. Now you have seen everything you want and you're okay. Thank you very much. But you will take me back to my mother's house.
Meaning?
Meaning, I am not a slave in this house. I am not a maid in this house. If you no longer want me as a wife, fine. I have nothing doing in this house anymore. Let me go.
You want to go back to the village where you're coming from? You better do. And stop looking for who to hold responsible for sending you back.
Ken, it's a lie, yo. You will take me back to the village, yo. You will take me back, oh. I was in the village when you came to pick me to the city after your mother sent me back packing. You will take me back, oh. You will take me back. If not, you won't know any peace in this house, oh. You won't know any peace in this house, oh.
Who's that? Hi.
Good morning, Ken.
Morning, Julie. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How was your night?
Cool. And yours?
It was okay. I brought you breakfast.
Oh. That was thoughtful of you. Thanks a lot.
It's okay. I'll be in my office, okay? I'll meet you at lunchtime. Alright. Enjoy your day.
never knew you can be this humorous.
Of course, I'm a very lively person. Wherever I am, I like people around me to be happy and lively.
So I've been missing all this while.
Of course you have. You know you're always by yourself. And I was like, what is this dude up to? So proud of himself.
No, it's not been but you understand. You understand.
I didn't there, but I think I do now.
Yes, I do.
You know what?
alright?
My friend is having a party tonight, and I'd like you to come with me.
I'm not sure that will be possible.
Not very possible. We will drive to the venue after work. Come on, I have it all planned out. Just be there.
Sure.
Let's come to the party. Come on.
Did my husband tell you of a place he will go and never come back?
No, madam. Maybe now come out in the morning.
Kalusha. It's pigeon flag, baby.
Want to go back to that village nuisance, right?
I'm going to my house. I'm not going back.
Like you never experienced me.
No, don't make me. You're not my lover.
You're drunk, baby. Let me take you home.
I want to have a credit.
Even I say I get small credit for this, my small food. You can call Ogana.
Yeah. Let me go and bring his number from my phone.
Ogana, you don't forget say Ogana my boss, me, eh? Ogana my boss, now my master. If nobody here can be.
Call him now.
Okay, madam.
Your phone has been fucking ringing and who's calling you?
I know it's coming.
Okay, madam. Oga phone they ring. But Oga no dey gree. Even as Oga dey visit the place where in dey.
Tell him again, I beg.
Okay. I try to know him number to you know where you go.
It be like something touching my lung, baby something. This one no be small thing. My baby na helele, yam kaine nebe. This one no na ebelebe. Take am jejeje. My baby na helele.
Hi, Ken, eh? Where you there, Ken? Hi.
What the hell I go do? Oga GM don't cry. Madam, no dey cry. If you cry, now you go. No dey cry. Sometimes Oga go come back. No dey cry like him to go in.
Dr. Chris on the beat. Actually, you got me in the mood. Actually, I'm feeling good. Actually, you got me in the mood. Actually, I'm feeling good. Last born.
Who is your baby? Yeah? Who is your baby? You stupid.
You are drinking. Eh?
If I'm drunk, is it your business? Whatever I'm doing with my life, is it your business?
Come on,
man. Why you holding me? This one is so sweet. What a beautiful, sweet world. Why my Lord Milan?
Baby, you were drunk last night.
Hey, I'm not your baby, and stop calling me that. That's not the answer to my question.
You were drunk last night. So I carry you to the bathroom. I help you to remove your clothes. And I pour water on you. And I fresh you up.
You were there last night. You're just one mistake in my life. I don't even know how I married a village pig like you.
It isn't me you're talking.
Why?
It isn't me, Norma.
I don't even know what I saw in you in the first place. I was so blind to see that you're not my class.
I know you are fed up with me. Because you now see city girls everywhere. No problem. Before you do anything you are planning to do to me, you must take me back to the village, back to my mother's house.
So you go and tell your mother that I'm the one that sent you back in, right? Yeah. Stay away from me. Just stay away from me. Do you hear me? If you don't stay being lonely in this place, you can go and pack your things and leave. Yes.
I was on my own. He came, he was saying me love. I said no to his proposal.
that me, I'm a village girl. He said, yeah, no, you love me like that, the way I am. But look at the way he's treating me. Huh? Hi. I got to go back to my grandmother. She will die of heart attack. My friends, they will laugh at me. God, oh, please, save me from this shame. Let my husband go back to the man he used to be before. Because God, oh, because...
This morning.
I should be telling you that. Hot. Very hot.
You know what? I feel like kissing you all over.
This is an office. It's an open place, you can't do that.
Come on, just let's stand.
I wonder why you call that mistake a marriage.
We're not divorced yet. I'm still married to her.
I wonder why you haven't divorced her yet.
Julie, go to your office. I will call you when I need you.
If you say so.
So, let's toast.
And what do we toast to?
What is it? No, what is it now? Eh?
I came to tell you that I have prepared your favorite soup. Egusi soup.
How many times have I warned you to stay on your own?
I'm sorry, sir. I wonder what this village thing will prepare for you. If not some local nonsense. God.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Let's...
But you know what, honey? Very soon I'll start preparing you continental dishes.
Honey? Yeah? Wait for me, let me check something. Just hold on. Evian. Where's my wife? What's she doing inside your room?
You don't tell why they go and make she go back to your room. She no agree. He said she didn't they cry the face. I don't tell her, say make she go back. She said she no go try him. Say she no go try him at all. Okay. No baby, because I'm okay. She did cry.
Let me get for me.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Okay. Good.
madam say you don't go drop the lady. She did it, they cry, say she don't go come, she don't go come. Okay, look at my photo, I don't try my best, okay?
Efio!
Yes, Oga.
Where is she?
I let her tell her, let she come on, she don't agree. Oga, she don't even sleep here.
And you, where are you going to sleep? See, let me tell you something. I see your legs inside that room. Confirm yourself a dead person. This two legs. Cut them off.
Now we are going to sleep now.
No, shut up, are you mad? Do you want to sleep in the same room with my wife? Are you crazy? You asking me when you're going to sleep? As far as I'm concerned, you can sleep anywhere you want to, but not in this room. If I catch you inside this room, from time to time, I'll be watching you. Come on, get out! Where are you going to?
These guys, you know where they got me. You go sleep. Look, you give me this house, my guy to sleep. One say your wife, you jump off your wife, go run enter here. sleep.
You dey sleep. You dey sleep. Sleep.
Oga. Hi.
I go with you. Oh God, what up? Okay, now. Take off. Oh God, what up? Take off. Okay, I go my kid. I go with you. Take off.
Efion.
Oga.
Come here. What do you think you're doing with my wife? What?
Oga, no be my fault, Oga. Oga, no be my fault. Na Madonna, she called me and she said, make I come there play the words with her. Then she did forget the small things. Oga, no be my fault. Madam, make you know my Oga. No mind Oga, na confused. I ain't the worry Oga so. Small time you go say you want, small time you go say I no want, I want. You know say I say na confused, I ain't the worry and so. But madam, you be like say na because you know they cook and so for Oga. I'm making the confused like that. You know say when you cook and so for Oga like this, Oga go dey eat am, him brain go dey calm down, he go dey eat well, very well. Adam ain't bound to yeah, every time. I will teach you how to cook am.
Hey, honey.
Hey, Julie, I'm not your boyfriend. I'm not your lover. I'm not your husband. I'm just a colleague who asked for your advice on how to handle the issues in his family, but you decided to take advantage of it.
I've advised you to leave that village girl and move on with your life.
And that village girl you see there is my wife and I love her. I'm going back to her to stick to her with all her naivety. I'm going to make her the better person which I want her to be. Do you understand me?
But baby,
don't out of my office. And never you come back to give me any advice. Out.
Don't come complain to me, okay? Don't just try it.
Out.
If you say the kind thing will happen here to the guy, I never see Madam face that guy face before. Okay? Madam don't carry her bag come out.
What?
She don't carry her bag come out.
What did you just say now?
Okay, na true that they talk so, na true that they talk. She face carry her bag come out. I don't even know say you go face say she carry her bag come out if you come back. Oga, Madam no even come out with her phone, Oga. She forget her phone inside my room there. Only she carry for her the vest, a good vest.
Why did you call me to tell me that this kind of thing was going on here, Ekfyong? Why?
Oga, I don't know say you go vest now if you come back, because say Madam don't carry her back, come out. When them call you, Oga.
Which side is she go to? Which side? Which side? Wait.
Oga.
Oh my God. Open the gate. Open the gate.
Okay.
Open the gate.
Okay, Oga.
Open the gate.
Okay.
Sorry for all I've done to you. Yeah? Please, I promise not to be angry with you again in my life. My love, where are you? Please show yourself. Please show yourself, baby. Show yourself, please. I can never be angry with you again, please. What have I done? What have I done to myself? This girl. I will never in my whole life be angry with you again.
Hello. Did you see a young lady, tall, fair? Did you see anybody? Okay, just came in. Bro, I'm good. Brother, excuse me. Please, did you see any young girl, tall, fair, has body, carrying bag? Oh my God. Okay, thank you. God bless you.
I am a visitor here. I'm only to go to my village. Please, can you dash me 3,000 naira?
What are you doing in the first place?
It is a long story.
You know what I have 3,000 naira.
What do I do to please you? What do I do? I'm so speechless. I don't know what to say. Oh,
marry him again. Keno has changed. Keno has changed.
Does your husband follow you?
He should leave me alone. He should leave me alone. I am not to marry him again. He should leave me alone.
Baby. Thank God I found you on this road. I've searched for you all over.
Why are you searching for me? Why are you searching for me? I have to come back to my home. I am not a slave.
Please forgive me, okay? Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry for all I've caused you. I'm so sorry for all I've done to you.
Leave me alone.
Please, it won't happen again, I swear. I swear.
Leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. Go you back to your city girlfriend. Leave me alone.
You're getting it wrong. There's nothing between me and Julie. Nothing. Baby, remember how we started. Remember all we've been through. Remember the love we've shared together. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. I am sorry from my heart. Please. Please, I didn't mean to hurt you, please.